Graph the line with slope 2 and passing through the point negative 3, 3. Remember, this is x and this is y. So we shall identify our slope. Slope is 2. So let's put it in fraction form. 2 would be 2 over 1. So the rise is 2 and the run is 1. So starting from negative 3, 3, starting from this point here, we shall rise 2 and run 1. So let's go back to our graphing paper. Starting from negative 3, 3. Now negative 3, 3 would be, the negative is on the x-axis. So negative, I will take a paper and then say negative 3 is here. And 3 is 1, 2, 3, right there. Starting from negative 3, 3, click on that. Then go rise 2 and run 1 over 1. And then click. And that is your answer. So let's check. Amazing. Graph the line with slope negative 1 over 2 passing through the points negative 4, negative 2. Graph the line with a slope negative 1 over 2 and passing through the point negative 4, negative 2. So what do? I identify the slope. In this case, my slope is right here. So slope is given by negative 1 over 2. What does this mean? This means that the slope would be, rise would be negative 1. So this is our rise, and this here is our run. So because it's a negative, we'll go down 1 and then we'll go over 2. Starting from this point, negative 4, negative 2. So let's go back to our graphing paper. Starting from negative 4, negative 2, that is right here, negative 4, negative 2. I go down 1 and then I go over 2, 1, 2. Boom. And that's it.